Namaskar to everyone. This is Raksha here, and first of all, I wanted to wish you all a very happy Republic Day. So it has Jan 26th. So I hope everyone are celebrating it. Hope you all are well. As guys, today we are going to see an interesting segment, more about nothing that now the school have been reopened to 10th and first PU and second PU. For that only we are going to see how it is going on and how it will be. So yeah, now as I'm studying 7th standard, still they didn't told does for me a board exam is there or whatever. The government didn't decide, so the school didn't say anything, and they have opened on Jan 6th already, and even they are saying for every as the for every classes the school is going to reopen by after the holidays. By next year the school is going to be reopened by July 8th, and it have been not been confirmed yet, but we don't know about it. It is going to be confirmed or whatever. And next today news we are going to see that is that about the vaccine. So everyone are very happy, even me too very happy the vaccine have been came. But in the vaccine we have to be very careful, because in London 29 members have been died by got the vaccine. I don't know about some side effects are there or what, but 29 members have been died in London, and in India there are actually 12 members have been died. 2 members have been admitted in the hospital. So it's very serious thing. You have to be very careful. And so many are saying we have to get the vaccine. We have to take it. But what is happening here? Why this 29 members have been plus in India 12 members? What we have to do if we get vaccine? Something happens to us. What is going to happen? So this is a question mark about everybody. Everyone are asking, not only me. So. Like some questions are there, means please say in the comment box. Even you have, means has so many questions we have for the government, but they can't listen it. It's actually true. So be careful with this vaccine and the schools also. So that's it for today's video, guys. This is just a short video, like a short information to you all. So that's it for today's video. If you like the video, just give a thumbs up. If you feel this is helpful to someone, please share the video. Please comment and subscribe to our channel, School Library. So yeah guys, has English. So yeah guys, we are in 3 social medias, has Instagram and Twitter, plus we are in Facebook page. So you can just contact us there also. From you can just you can search us there as School Library Raksha. You'll be getting our profile picture, which you can view and follow us there also. You can support us there also. So that's it for today's video, guys. Wait for my new video. Till then, bye bye, take care.